Yes, here we are in the tropical paradise of Mooresville, North Carolina. And we're doing some tropical things today. What are we doing? Well, we're going to make the absolute best cocktail for around the pool or at the beach or wherever you are out in the sun or doing sun things or doing daughter things for that matter. Whatever you're doing, you are going to love the Pinana Colada. So let's get started. So here are the things that you're going to need to make the Pinana Colada. First of all, banana rum, pineapple chunks, coconut milk, cream of coconut, cream of the coconut, a blender half filled with ice, one banana, the usual glass that we use for all of these types of things. This one got a little spotty in the dishwasher, don't let that fool you. And one straw. And just like with most things we prepare, a rubber spatula. Now this spatula is special to me because this was given to me by a Jewish friend many years ago. Her name is Diana. And Diana gave me this spatula that has dreidels on it. Can you see that? It's got dreidels on it. She gave me that for Christmas one year and I love it. I've been using it forever. So, this is the tool we're going to use for this is the tool we're going to use to perfect the Pinana Colada.
One of the main things that we can do to make our homes stay comfortable is to make sure that there are no pests in the home. And the best way to do that is with our friends at Cardinal Environmental Solutions. Now, Cardinal Environmental Solutions has over 25 years of experience in the pest control industry. And the thing about it is that they are from this area. They serve the entire greater Charlotte area, and they grew up here in Charlotte. They raise their families here in Charlotte. They understand the climate, the soil types, all of the various pests that invade our homes, and they even deal with the bad mosquitoes that we have. So if you need someone to take care and make sure that your house is bug-free and rodent-free, then you need Cardinal Environmental Solutions. They're very easy to find. Just go to acetj.com/cardinal, acetj.com/cardinal, and start living pest-free today with Cardinal.
All right, I know I don't look serious, but I'm being serious. This is a delicious, delicious frozen cocktail for the summer. And I am serious about it because I got my shirt on. It's got little tiny palm trees on it. And I thought about wearing a hat, but I couldn't find one big enough. So I decided to go without the hat. Now, the reason this is called, well, first of all, let me tell you what's going on behind the scenes. I'm in between like measuring stuff out. Mr. Todd goes, "What'd Jody do with the candy?" So I said, "It's in the pantry." He goes in the pantry and I hear a big crash in there. Boom, like he knocked something off. And the next thing you know, he comes out with a box of Nerds because my wife loves that kind of candy and so does he. And then he's gonna complain about how old the Nerds are, how long they've been here. They're Christmas Nerds, yeah, but do Nerds expire? I don't think so. All right, back to the real thing. Cut, start, all right. See, I gotta get ready now. My ice is melting. This ice melts fast when you're as hot as I am and you're right next to it. Look at that. All right, so half a blender of ice. The reason that this is so great and it's called a Pinana Colada is because I'm making a regular pina colada. Pina means pineapple and colada means coconut, but I'm adding banana to it because everything's better when it tastes like bananas. Believe that. All right, here we go. Half a blender of ice. Then we're going to take that cream of coconut. You find that where the drink mixers are in the grocery store. And that's half a cup. Half a cup of that. And that's why we needed the spatula, you see, because we want to get all that rich goodness out of there. Then we're going to take that coconut milk, aka coconut milk. And you find this over in the international foods section with the Asian food. That's where you get that. Okay? Don't think it's coconut water. You know, while you're buying kombucha or whatever that stuff's called. Booch. It's coconut milk, 1/4 cup of that. Then we got the pina of the Pinana Colada, 1/4 cup of canned pineapple chunks. And then we got the 1/2 cup of banana rum. And you can use whatever, you know, brand you want. Malibu makes banana rum, whatever that brand is that I showed you a minute ago. That I like that too, because they use that in the Virgin Islands when I was there, and I liked it. Okay, now we got to add the nana part of it, which would be a what?
Banana.
A banana. Now, you could just use 1/2 a banana, but I'm going to use the whole thing. It's a banana. It's not going to hurt you. Now, I don't like just throw the banana in there in big pieces, so I do this, which is very yummy. You squeeze it up like that, or you could take a knife and cut it into pieces. Whatever you want to do if you're fancy and all that. All right. And we're going to save that for later. And let me get this. We got everything in there?
I think so.
We got the rum. And you go a little bit more than 1/2 cup on the rum. You know, it's yours. You do whatever you want to with it. Now, I'm going to tell you what, guys. If you are on a vacation and you got some women that are in the vacation group with you, if you want to score all kinds of cool brownie points, go in the condo or the house or wherever you're staying on vacation and make up a big picture of this. Take it out to the beach to them with plastic cups and straws. They'll be, oh my God, oh, this is so delicious. Oh, I need one of him at my house. Yeah, they do all that. All right, so just an old-fashioned blender here, and we're going to crush. Todd, you could probably cut this sound on this so it's not so loud.
Oh, God.
Had you already thought of that? All right, so there we go, a frozen Pinana Colada. You pour it up in the glass. You're gonna make it all pretty. Look at that. It looks like liquid banana pudding is what it looks like. And then you can do this, like that. And then you put your straw in. Now, you're not just gonna serve it looking like this, right? Which camera are we on, Todd? Get that nasty paper towel out of the way. You need it right there?
Yep.
And we're not gonna serve it just up like that. We gotta make it look pretty. So we're gonna garnish it like that. Tell me that doesn't look delicious. The feast begins with the eyes. And there, like a lot of people would garnish that with a slice of pineapple, but I'm using the banana peel because I'm on the cutting edge. You see that? All right, are we gonna do the whole taste reveal thing, Todd?
I'll just come over there to you.
Oh, he's just gonna come over here and give that a taste. And I know you're gonna love this. I absolutely love it. The TJ's Pinana Colada. Don't let that get past you in life. Don't go through life without having some of that.
Oh, that's really good.
Of course it is. Of course it is.
Yeah, I gotta give me one of these.
You got one. There you go. The Pinana Colada. If you want the recipe and you don't want to keep going back through the video to hear it, just go to fendforyourselves.com and make sure you're liking and subscribing and doing whatever else you got to do on YouTube's and acetj.tv. I don't know how all that works, but we appreciate your viewership. You know, we always do. Oh yeah, brothers and sisters, we love the fact that you watch our little show and you make our little dishes and drinks and things like that. And we appreciate you so much. Where you got that? Me and Mr. Todd just gonna sit around here and enjoy these Pinana Coladas for the rest of the afternoon. We'll see you next time. We love you all, but we got to go.